Are you looking to make your Google site more interactive and dynamic? One of the easiest ways to do that is by embedding a Google Doc directly onto your site. Today, I'll show you exactly how to do it in just a few simple steps. First, open the Google site where you want your document to appear. On the right-hand side, click on the Insert menu, then select Docs. This will open a window where you can choose the Google Doc you want to embed. Once you've selected your document, click Insert and you'll see it appear right on your page. Now, here's a crucial step. Make sure your Google Docs sharing settings are set so that your site visitors can view it. Without this, your visitors won't be able to see the content. After that, hit Publish to make your changes live. The best part? Any updates you make to the original Google Doc will automatically reflect on your site. Visitors can scroll through the document, read, and stay updated without any extra effort from you. Embedding a Google Doc not only keeps your content organized, but also adds a professional touch to your site. Give it a try today and see how seamless it makes sharing information. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you, make sure to check out other tutorials to make the most of your Google Sites experience.